This course reveals an approach to mastering the multiplication tables dubbed Magisterial multiplication, which teaches multiplication facts by capitalizing on the mind's innate pattern-seeking behavior, otherwise known as patterning instinct or apophenia, the natural human drive to recognize and create patterns in our environment that shapes our understanding of the world. Researchers such as Michael Shermer have illustrated how humans are evolutionarily predisposed to discern patterns, a trait that historically supported survival by aiding early humans in recognizing predators or food sources. At its core, patterning instinct, which was first introduced by Klaus Conrad in 1958, encapsulates this inherent human tendency to identify patterns, connections, and relationships within our surroundings. As Philip Ball notes, people seek order amid the chaos of life, recognizing cycles and regularities from the day-night cycle to the changing seasons. Magisterial multiplication leverages this inherent ability by delivering instruction that encourages pattern identification, framing multiplication facts in a way that highlights relationships to help learners engage more deeply and better retain the information. For example, in the same way that everyone knows the product of any number times 0 is 0, the product of any number times 1 is that same identical number, the answer to anything times 10 is easily obtained by merely appending a 0. And the solution to any digit times 11 is quickly revealed simply by following that digit with itself. Magisterial multiplication uses additional previously unrecognized numerical patterns to extend this highly effective tactic to all the remaining multiplication tables. This only makes sense given how pattern-seeking behavior underpins numerous cognitive processes, including the development of language, social structures, and cultural systems, by enabling humans to adapt, innovate, and understand increasingly complex phenomena. Unfortunately, apophenia also has the potential to lead people to perceive connections or meaningful patterns between unrelated or random things. But then again, this offers intriguing insights into cognitive processes and educational practices. And in fact, magisterial multiplication takes full advantage of this phenomena by using simple numerical patterns to displace the seemingly random and arbitrary nature of basic multiplication products with elegant arrangements and structures that instantly make all the answers within any given multiplication table immediately self-evident. But then again, this offers intriguing insights into cognitive processes and educational practices. And in fact, magisterial multiplication takes full advantage of this phenomena by using simple numerical patterns to displace the seemingly random and arbitrary nature of basic multiplication products with elegant arrangements and structures that instantly make all the answers within any given multiplication table immediately self-evident. Magisterial multiplication is an actual real-world example of how patternicity can be helpful in an educational context by enabling educators and learners to harness the advantages of pattern recognition. In short, it guides students in engaging with numbers in a manner that uncovers genuine rather than fallacious patterns to improve both short and long-term recall, enhancing the learning process by harnessing the power of the mind's natural propensity to find patterns, making apophenia an unbelievable asset for mastering multiplication tables.